One of the greatest fears of marketers is running digital marketing campaigns and not being able to track the results. In fact, this is a problem that many of our new clients who were new to the world of digital marketing faced. They were not aware if Facebook pixels or Google tags are placed on their website. Hi, I'm Komal, Product Manager at Intelimo, and in this video, we are going to see how you can check whether Facebook pixels are placed in your website or not. So without any further ado, let's get started. So once you've opened your ad account, you can click right here and then select Events Manager. Here you'll get all information related to your pixels that are placed on your website. So once I scroll down further, I'll be able to see these different pixels which are placed on my website. And as you can see that there's a green dot right there, and adjacent to it, it's written active, which means that this pixel is currently active and is firing well on your website. You can further go under this column, total events, and check that how many times exactly the pixel has been fired, and herein you can also see that when exactly was it last fired. For example, it's written that last received 19 minutes ago, which means that last time a person visited that particular page was 19 minutes before. If I click here further, then more information would open up. Now I can also go to the website and check that where exactly the pixels are placed and if they are firing well or not with help of a Chrome extension. So if I go to google.com and write here Facebook Pixel Helper, then it appears right on top of the page. So when I click here further, as you can see, it opens up in the extension part. So since I've already added it to my Chrome, the option which I'm getting here is remove from Chrome. So if it hasn't been added by you, then you'll get an option of adding it. For example, if I show you, so this right here is add to Chrome option, which comes once I've removed it. So now I'll click right here, click add extension, and then as you can see, Facebook Pixel Helper has been added right here. So now I'm going to pin it. And now if there's any website that I want to visit and check whether the website has pixel or not, I can check it. For example, let's say if I go to Myntra.com, you can see that the count has increased automatically here. Page view is being fired. So as you can see, it's written right here that 2 pixels found on Myntra.com. Now if I add anything, let's say I go to this section and view any product, so the number has increased. View content has also come alongside here. Now if I further add any product to cart, then I'll see that add to cart pixel is also being fired. So this is the way you can check whether the pixel is firing correctly on your website or not. And if I further open it, I'll see that the value is also being passed. So if you want, you can also pass the value. So as per the steps that are required by a customer browsing on your website, you can add the respective tags and give it a check using Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. We hope the dilemma of conversion tracking being there or not on your website is now resolved. If you too are new to the world of digital marketing and are just starting to learn tips and tricks, then we have a ready-made ad stock built just for you. Here, you'll be able to browse through various ads as per your industry and launch your marketing campaigns within minutes. Yes, you heard it right, within minutes. Feel free to check it out on our website. The URL for the same is mentioned in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. See you in the next one.